Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to tell you the difference between hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Hydrophilic atoms, molecules, and compounds are attracted to water because water is a polar molecule. The hydrogen side tends to be positive, whereas the oxygen side of the molecule tends to be negative. Maybe you've noticed that water sticks to itself. It's cohesive, causing surface tension. It also sticks to other surfaces. It's adhesive. That's because water is a polar molecule. And so atoms, molecules, and compounds that are attracted to water, they're hydrophilic. Like sugar or salt dissolves quickly in water, we would say those are hydrophilic. On the other hand, material that's hydrophobic repels water, and this is because they're non-polar molecules. I want you to think of anything that's waterproof, such as wax. Those items would repel water. A great example of hydrophobic material is this special sand that I'd like to show you today. Check it out. This sand is hydrophobic. It's been coated with trimethylsilanol, which makes it repel water. And when I scoop it out of the water, it's immediately dry. That's because each grain of sand is hydrophobic. It repels the water. This material has been around for a long time. It was first published in Book 2 of The Boy Mechanic in 1905 by Popular Science, where it stated that traveling magicians in East India actually melted wax with sand and ground it up, making it hydrophobic. It's been used in several ways since then. It's been used to clean up oil spills along beaches. It's even been used as the foundation for junction boxes in the Arctic because it doesn't freeze. Hydrophobic sand in RamZland.